What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So quick video on how you can replace your batteries, the batteries of your blink cameras. So if you've noticed you've lost motion, if you're not getting any more alerts of the motion of the movements around your house, then it's definitely the batteries. So this is just a quick video on how you can replace them. So you just need to pull it out. These are not like permanently connected to the wall, so you can just pull them out easy. Inside your package there were some plastic things. These are like screws, so you just need to open. This is what you're using to open up the camera. So just twist it anti-clockwise. And there we have the batteries. So 2 AA batteries, easy change, put them back and you're good to go.
Walking into the signs, red flashing lights by your side.